Hi and welcome to my unboxing video of the DJI Neo 2. I love a good unboxing video. So first of all, thank you for Argus for putting a big sticker across the front, spoiling the front of the box. Fly More combo. Bundle Fly More. Couldn't say fairer than that. Okay, so let's take a cardboard out. You'll have to excuse me, I'm old. There we go. There it is. And oh, what have we got here then? What's in here then? There's the drone. That's the money shot. So let's take it out. All carefully baggaged up as they always are. There it is. And I have to say, 250 grams, it is light, very light, very small. Ideal, can put it in a bum bag or a fanny pack, depending on which country you come from, to carry it when you're cycling. So let's get this cardboard open. I've sped this up because, like I say, I'm old. Chuck everything out. There we go. Empty cardboard. Lovely. In the recycling, you must go. So what have we first then? This is a battery charger with 2 of the 3 batteries in it, the 3rd battery being in the drone. I like this. It's really simple to charge all 3 batteries in one go. Uses USB-C. Bit more cardboard. Let's put it there. And this, if I remember right, is the remote control. Nice remote control, works well in your hand. What I will say is it is a tight squeeze. I have a iPhone 17 Pro Max, and although it goes in, it is a tight squeeze. And underneath are the joystick levers, arms, which you can screw in. A couple spare propellers. I like this. Not sure how you would break the original ones because they are so well guarded. There's a couple USB-C leads, one for the battery charging and one for the remote control. There's a book there with a little screwdriver in for you to get to the props. The book contains a lot of information, but most of it refers you to the DJI Fly app. And that's what you get for the money. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you've got yours on your way, be very excited because it's a lot of fun, this drone. And if you liked this video, or even if you didn't, like and subscribe, and I will try and bring you more. Thanks very much. See you soon.